Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down the products you need to know about with no fluff and all the facts. Today, we're looking at a product that's all about bringing a pop of color to your lips with the added bonus of being skin-friendly. Youngblood Mineral Creme Lipstick in the shade Coral Beach. This lipstick promises to not only enhance your look, but do so while keeping your skin in mind, which makes it stand out in a sea of other lip products. Let's start with a quick overview of this lipstick. The Youngblood Mineral Creme Lipstick in Coral Beach is a rich, vibrant shade designed to provide a smooth, creamy finish without the drying effects that some lipsticks can leave behind. The brand prides itself on using skin-friendly ingredients, making this a good choice for those with sensitive skin or those who just want a product that feels nourishing on the lips. In terms of ingredients, this lipstick leans on the power of minerals, which is a hallmark of Youngblood's approach to beauty. With a formula designed to hydrate and smooth, this lipstick aims to boost your appearance while also caring for your skin. The blend is lightweight, yet provides a good level of pigmentation that can easily take you from day to night. Now, let's talk about how it performed in real-world use. The texture of the Youngblood Mineral Creme Lipstick is soft and glides effortlessly onto the lips, leaving behind a smooth, comfortable layer of color. It's not the most long-wearing lipstick on the market, so you may need to reapply after a few hours, especially after meals. But I do love how lightweight it feels, and it never dries out my lips, which is a huge win in my book. I wore this lipstick for a full day, and I was impressed by how it didn't settle into fine lines or fade unevenly. Plus, there's no uncomfortable tightness or cracking, which often happens with some cream formulas. However, if you're someone who loves a really long-lasting lipstick, this one may not be your first choice. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the formulation is great for those with sensitive lips or skin, thanks to its mineral-based ingredients. It's also super comfortable to wear, and the shade Coral Beach is a gorgeous, vibrant color that works for a wide range of skin tones, making it an easy option for both daytime and evening looks. The downside is the wear time. While it's comfortable and looks great when applied, it doesn't last as long as some other lipsticks in its price range. You may need to reapply every few hours, which might be a deal breaker if you're looking for something with more staying power. When it comes to value for money, this lipstick is priced slightly higher than some drugstore options, but you're paying for quality ingredients and a more skin-friendly formula. If you're someone who prioritizes comfort and skincare in your makeup, I'd say it's worth the investment. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative with a similar feel, there are other mineral-based lipsticks out there that might be a bit more affordable, though they may not offer the same level of pigmentation or smoothness as this one. However, if longevity is a priority for you, you might want to consider lipsticks from brands like Revlon or Maybelline that offer longer wear time at a more budget-friendly price. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The lipstick tube is sleek and easy to carry around, making it a good choice for on-the-go application. It's not the most luxurious packaging I've ever seen, but it's sturdy and does the job. Now, if you've had any experience with Youngblood's customer support, I've heard they have a reputation for being responsive and helpful with inquiries. I didn't have to reach out to them directly, but the brand is known for taking care of their customers, which is always a good sign. As for updates, I didn't find any information about recent reformulations or packaging changes. However, it's always good to check the brand's website for any new launches or improvements. Wrapping it up, I think Youngblood's Mineral Creme Lipstick in Coral Beach is a solid option for those who want a comfortable, skin-friendly lipstick with a beautiful color payoff. While it may not be the longest-lasting lipstick out there, the overall comfort and the fact that it's made with skin-loving ingredients make it a great choice for everyday wear. If you're interested in this product, I've included a link in the description box for easy access. And hey, if you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and whether you think it lives up to the hype. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.